Have you ever seen a thumbnail screaming, make $10,000 a week with this AI trick? And then you think to yourself, oh yeah, right. And I'm secretly a millionaire. Yeah, that's how I feel too. Most of those videos though are just recycled nonsense. Let's ditch the fantasy of buying a Lamborghini tomorrow and focus on what's real and practical. Here are 7 actual AI methods that are perfect for beginners, using free or super low cost tools to make your first $100 a day. No weird seminars or webinars or gurus required here. I'm making it simple and easy. The first one is AI voiceover gigs for free. You don't need a $1,000 microphone or, let's say, a soundproof room to get paid for your voice anymore. In fact, you don't even need to use your own voice. You fire up a free AI voice generator like 11 Labs or Speechify. Their free option lets you generate high quality audio from any text that you paste in. Find a small job on a freelance site like Fiverr and maybe request to let them know that you're selling a voiceover, 5-minute voiceover on YouTube for $50. The client sends you the script, you paste it into the AI voice tool and choose a voice that fits and generate the audio. After a quick quality check, you deliver the file and get paid. 2 of those simple gigs a day is an easy $100 for less than an hour of work. Number 2, AI-assisted proofreading service. If you can spot a typo, you can get paid, but you don't have to be a grammar expert. Offer a simple service in online forums or Facebook groups for writers, like saying something like, I'll proofread your 5,000-word blog post for $50. When you get a client, you copy their text and paste it into the free version of ChatGPT. Use a simple prompt, like say this to ChatGPT, act as a professional editor, fix all the grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors in this blog post, and improve the flow. The AI will clean it up in seconds, but your job now is to go over it. Be the human supervisor. Read through the AI's edit to make sure that it sounds natural and it flows and delivers. And then you give it to the client and collect your payment. Your only cost is your time. And few of these jobs a week can easily clear $100 a day. Number 3, editable digital products with Creative Fabrica. Why build a product from scratch when you can download and modify something that's already selling? This is where Creative Fabrica comes in. For a small annual subscription, you get commercial license to millions of digital assets. You start by searching Etsy for popular digital products like printable kids chore charts or minimalist social media templates. And then you find similar editable templates on Creative Fabrica. With their all-access subscription, which can be as low as $4 to $5 a month, but you just pay yearly and get it over with. You can download unlimited products, digital products. You tweak the colors, you change the fonts, the text. You use tools to do that, and like Canva, and then you bundle a few unique versions together and sell it on Etsy. Your new modified product is ready for sale. Since the original assets are licensed for commercial use, you just focus on creating unique bundles. A few popular listings can create a steady, passive income of more than $100 a day. Number 4, Faceless social media videos with CapCut. You've seen those viral TikTok videos and YouTube shorts with a robotic voice and stock footage. You can make those in minutes for free. The secret is CapCut. It's a video editor with tons of free AI features. First, you're going to use ChatGPT to write a short script, like 3 unbelievable facts about patient Rome. That's an example. Next, you're going to use a free AI voice generator to create the voiceover. And then you're going to open CapCut and use its free script to video feature, which automatically finds clips to match your story. The free version's auto caption tool makes your video engaging, and you can create a complete dynamic video without ever showing your face or buying expensive software. What you're going to do is you're going to continue to post consistently, and you can earn money from creator funds or by putting affiliate links in your profile or in your description, your video description. Number 5, social media content for local businesses. Don't sleep on this one. Your local pizza shop is great at making pizza, but they're probably terrible at making Instagram posts or Facebook posts or TikTok posts. You can fix that for them using free AI tools. Offer a single package, 15 social media posts with captions and images for $200. You're going to use ChatGPT to brainstorm post ideas, and then you're going to write all the captions. Then you're going to head over to Canva, which has AI tools as well, even on its free plan. Use its Magic Write feature to refine the captions, or its text-to-image generator feature to create unique visuals. Schedule the post for the client, and you've just made $200 with zero upfront cost. Land just one of these clients a week, and you're clearing over $100 a day on average. Number 6, prompt packs on PromptBase. Here's a twist. Instead of using AI to make stuff, sell the instructions for the AI. Let me explain. A site called PromptBase is a marketplace where you can sell prompt packs, bundles of instructions for AIs like Midjourney or the open source, and free stable diffusion. Spend an afternoon looking at what sells well on PromptBase. You notice that they are super specific, like vintage Japanese travel poster with a limited color palette. Come up with 10 unique variations, bundle them and sell them for $4.99. PromptBase keeps a 20% commission, so you take home about 80% on every sale. My weathered National Park posters pack has sold 580 times. I graded it once. After fees, that's over $2,200 for a couple of hours of work. Release a few new packs a month, and that income keeps growing and growing. That's PromptBase for you. Number 7, automated newsletter ads. This is the one nobody talks about. Here's how it works. Start a free newsletter with a tool like Beehiiv. It's free. Launch plan lets you go to 2,500 subscribers. Post daily on Twitter and LinkedIn and answer a few questions on Reddit to get people to sign up. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers, you can apply for Beehiiv's ad network. What does that mean? They will automatically find sponsors for you and place ads in your newsletter so you can begin earning money from that. My newsletter about AI for real estate agents has 4,200 subscribers and earns about $130 a day just from those ads, just from ads alone. It might take a few months to get to that first 1,000 subscribers, but once it's running, your only job is to write and click send. All right, these are 7 methods I just told you about. No fluff and almost no budget needed. Just your time. Pick one and start right now. Open Canva, use Creative Fabrica, use Canva's AI to design 3 social media templates for a local business that you know. Or you can go to PromptBase and start researching 5 prompts you could create and sell by tomorrow. The only thing separating the people who watch these videos, including you, from the people who make money is the decision to actually do something, to act. If you want my exact prompts and the email I use to reach out to businesses, they're all linked in the description. No email sign up needed. Hit subscribe while you're down there. Next week, we're turning these $100 days into $1,000 weeks. You remember that? Because I got you. And as long as you're on this channel, I am going to feed you with information. Your only job is to act. See you then.